Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to set the best settings for mopping floors with DREAME D20 Plus. First, let's talk about the modes. If you click on Custom, you can set it to Mop or Vacuum and Mop. There's a difference between them. Vacuum and Mop is better in most cases because it vacuums while mopping. It just makes everything cleaner. If you just mop on a floor with dust, it's going to spread the dust everywhere and won't be efficient in cleaning. Unless you vacuumed before mopping, then you may want to set Mop for one specific reason. The Mop option allows you to set an intensive route, which will do a denser path to clean more efficiently. You may want to do that, but it's only available in the Mop option, so make sure to vacuum beforehand. I'll leave it on Vacuum Mop. You can change the mop wetness to any value you want. If you set it too high, it may cause damage to your floor if it's wooden. It may also make the robot slip on the floor and the floor will be slippery. I wouldn't recommend setting it to the highest level unless you really need to. On tiles, you should set higher values, and on wooden floors, set lower values. If you have different floors in different rooms, click on Customize and set different settings for different rooms. I'll do room 2 with mop wetness at level 12 because I have a wooden floor there. For room 1 I'll do level 22 because I have tiles there. Another thing is the path of your robot. The robot can automatically go along the floor direction to minimize scraping against the floor seams. That's very useful because it minimizes damage to your floor and also reduces loudness. To do it, first make sure the correct floors are set in rooms. When you click on Map Editing, go to Floor Type. Select the room you'd like to edit. I'll select room 2 and set it to floor vertical. Now the robot will know it's vertical and will try to make a path like that. For room 1, I'll set tiles. If you have rectangular tiles, set horizontal or vertical. If you have square tiles, set it to tile floor so it won't pay attention to orientation and will reduce cleaning time. Once that's set, enable the setting. Click the 3 dots in the top right, go to Floor Cleaning Settings, and make sure cleaning along the floor is enabled. One last thing is carpet cleaning settings. You shouldn't wet your carpets unless you have mats that can be mopped, like rubber mats. Then you can set it to Ignore. If you have carpets, set it to Vacuum so the robot will mop on them. That's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.